Good morning, my dear students. Happy New Year. I hope you all are doing good. So, today is our first class in the new year, and we are going to start a new topic. And our topic for the day is our Earth. In our Earth, there are many landforms, and today we will learn about the landforms. So, can you guess what is this landform? Mountain. Yes. Okay, can you guess what is this landform? Okay, this is a mountain, this is a mountain, it's a hint for you. And what is between the mountains? Okay, the land between the mountains are called valley. Mountain, valley. Okay, now another landform where we are living in Punjab, it's like this. It's a flat. It's flat like a book. If you will see, it's flat like a book. So this kind of a land is called flat land or plains. Right, so we have learned now 3 landforms, and let's learn another landforms by looking at this picture that you are supposed to draw in your notebooks and by singing a song. Okay. Okay, so this is a notebook. Here I have written landforms. That means today's topic is landforms, and we will see the different landforms. Mountains are very high, and between two mountains there is a space. If you will find some huts or the people living between the mountains, this place is called valley. Sometimes there is a river also going through the valley. So between the two lands, the place is called valley. Okay, so it's a valley, it's also valley, and the river is coming out of the valley. Now the another form you will see here are again some hills. Hills are lower than the mountains, but again it's the highland. It's a high, but it is the highest. It's a highest. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. We have seen there are 3 landforms on the earth. There are more landforms like this. It looks like a table, high and the flat from the top, just like a table at our home. This kind of a landform is called plateaus. Plateaus, high and flat on the top, tall and flat on the top, right? Now another form of land which is very plain, flat land, this is called plains. On plains we grow the crops. Like in Punjab, we have many crop fields, right? And we build houses also on that flat land. Now let's talk about another landform. This is an island. What is an island? Any land between or like in the center of the water. This land is covered with water all around. Okay, this kind of a land is called island. Island, but the spelling is I-S-L-A-N-D. Island, S is silent. Okay, so we have learnt about now mountain, valley, hill, plateaus, plains and island. Right, now let's sing a song. Lots of landforms we can see, Mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest, plains are flat, hills are round. Let's look here, okay? Now see, mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest. And what is next? Plains are flat, hills are round, Lots of landforms we can see, Islands are the small with water all around, Islands are the small land, water all around, Plateaus are tall, flat on top, Plateaus are tall, flat on the top, Plateaus are tall, flat on the top. Deserts are dry land with little rainfall, So deserts I have not shown you here. So my dear students, you have to practice this song at home, and I want once you are like familiar with this song, you sing this song in a rhythm like me, or maybe better than me. I'm sure that you can sing it better than me. So tomorrow in the live class, we'll start our class with this song. You have to write this song in your notebook, write the date and classwork of today, write this poem and draw this all the landforms on the blank page of your notebook. Okay, so goodbye, take care, see you tomorrow in the live class.